Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need an administrator Microsoft account to begin. Sign in now and make sure OneDrive sync is paused so nothing is lost. Once you're signed in, open Settings Accounts to confirm which accounts are present, then sign the child out of the device. While you're here, turn off screen time or app limits so removal won't be blocked. This prevents immediate enforcement during the removal, so make these changes before proceeding to uninstall or unlink. Next, go to Settings Apps Installed Apps and find Microsoft Family Safety. Choose Uninstall and accept prompts to remove app data. Once the app is gone, sign into the Organizer Microsoft account and remove the family member from Family Settings so the device won't be reassociated. Make sure to revoke any device or location permissions tied to the family profile, and double-check the child account is no longer listed on this PC. Restart the PC to ensure group policies and cache settings clear. Once booted, sign in with the affected account to confirm restrictions, app blocks, and screen time limits are gone. If you still see enforcement, check the organizer's family settings again and remove the device from linked devices. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the account is a child account and won't be removed, convert it to an adult or ask the family organizer to delete the member online. Then repeat uninstall and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.